in Jharkhand. So सुंदरगढ़, और यहाँ पे क्या मिलता है आपको ही पता है, आयरन ओर as well as there is a gold, there is, I said that iron ore तो है ही, gold, and there is a manganese and there is a limestone also. Understood? क्योंझार फेमस है जोड़ा माइन मैग्नीज के लिए, क्योंझार में क्या. So we have been able to see, like I said, सुंदरगढ़ में limestone भी मिलता है, and then iron भी, and सुंदरगढ़ is aluminium and all. Is it okay? Iron ore series. So which are the series we have seen? Champion, Champaner, Closepeg, Chilpi, and then iron ore series. Now the next one is Khondolite series. Which one? And Khondolite series आपको बताया था कि उड़ीसा का southern part, and then which one is it? Northern Andhra. Khondolite series. And in this Khondolite series, I said that availability of, I said, क्या क्या available रहेगा यहाँ पर? There is an aluminum. What is available? Aluminum. Yes. And then limestone, dolomite, and some amount of, छोड़ दे इतना ही लिखो. और कौन सा रीजन? कोरापुट, बोलांगीर, सॉरी बोलांगीर ऊपर है, कालाहांडी, कालाहांडी, सदर्न पार्ट ऑफ व्हाट? उड़ीसा. और थोड़ा सा बोलांगीर भी है, इस यहां से थोड़ा सा ऐसे लोग हैं तो बोलांगीर, बोलांगीर, and then northern Andhra, that is till Krishna Delta. कहां तक दिख रहा है? till, sorry, Krishna Delta. Which delta? Krishna Delta, Godavari and Krishna Delta. You can be able to see Khondolite series. इसीलिए यहाँ पर एक खोंड ट्राइब्स है और यहाँ खोंडो डोरा. इन आंध्र प्रदेश, what is there? खोंडो Dora tribes. In the history that you have to study this. Understood? Shall I remove? So which are? Champion, Champaner, Closepeg, Chilpi, iron ore, Khondolite. Understood? Next one we have to see Rialo series. और Closepeg, Chilpi में बताया था मैग्नीज एंड what is copper pyrite along with the limestone and other marbles वगैरह. and क्या था? Rialo. And the Rialo series from Delhi to Alwar. दिल्ली टू, ये दिल्ली है, एंड दिल्ली राजस्थान में एंट्री करोगे 100 किलोमीटर दिल्ली से आप जाओगे उधर अलवर. Rialo series. And it is famous for marble. It is famous for Makrana region and Bhagwanpur. आप यदि जाओ मार्बल लेने के लिए, घर बनाने के लिए इन दिल्ली, वहां से मंगवाना, चलो चीपर पड़ जाएगा. So Makrana and which one I said that? Bhagwanpur in the Delhi to Alwar में आपको क्या मिलेगा? Nearby Alwar there is a Makrana and Bhagwanpur. Understood it? Shall I remove this? Is it clear? Rialo series. And next one it is, I said that Sakoli series. Which one I said that? In the Bundelkhand. Which I said that? Bundelkhand में which series? Sakoli series. Sorry, Sakoli series in which? Bundelkhand. और बुंदेलखंड में क्या मिल रहा है वहां? व्हाट इज आई सेड दैट डायमंड. व्हाट इज दैट? पन्ना रीजन. यस, पन्ना छतरपुर रीजन. व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग? डायमंड. एंड जहां कुछ ना नजर आए क्या लिखोगे वहां पता है आपको? लाइमस्टोन, डोलोमाइट, ये सब लिख दो. क्या? क्योंकि ये लार्जेस्ट नंबर में है. जेम स्टोन्स. अंडरस्टूड? और कहीं पे लिखा हुआ नजर आ जाए चारकोनाइट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ चारकोनाइट? क्वार्ट्ज एंड क्वार्ट्जाइट. समझ में आया? ये भी सबसे ज्यादा सब जगह मिलता है. यदि आपको कहीं नजर कुछ ना आ जाए तो चारकोनाइट लिख देना. समझ में आया? क्वार्ट्ज एंड क्वार्ट्जाइट. अंडरस्टूड इट? क्लियर? सो and thereafter in Nagpur, saucer series. In the Nagpur, what is it? नागपुर में कौन सा सीरीज है? saucer. In the Nagpur, better to write Vidarbha. वहां पे आपको क्या दिखता है? नागपुर. यस, क्या दिखेगा? गोंडिया, गढ़चिरौली, यवतमाल, नांदेड़, ये सारा विदर्भा रीजन के आसपास. अमरावती, अकोला, अमरावती, इन दिस रीजन. एंड यहाँ पर आपको पता हो कि नागपुर, चंद्रपुर, यहाँ पे क्या है? आयरन ओर. व्हाट इज देयर? व्हाट इज देयर? आयरन ओर. और भंडारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट आयरन ओर, मैग्नीज, टंगस्टन. What is there? Tungsten. So many things are also available. जैसे झारखंड का ऐसे ये रीजन इज full of minerals. Understood? Understood? Which series I talked about? So which are the series in the Dharwad rock? कैसे धारवाड़ rock बना? Yes, tell me. After the formation of Archean, there is a water body sustaining. In this water body, I said that eroded deposition in the erosion and the deposition of sediments in the water bodies of the lakes and then other oceanic sea body. ऐसा थोड़ी ना आज जैसा इंडिया है. It is in some sea, कहीं कई बार टूटा and जुड़ा. And in this region what we have seen, they have been deposited, converted into shale, and that is forming in a shale as in a sedimentary rock. And then शेल हमेशा ही बनेगा लेक्स में. SHALE, लेक्स और नियर बाई. आई सेड दैट ओशियानिक कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ. शेल and converted into schist. That is in a sedimentary metamorphized rock. And there is a great reserve of iron ore, hematite, magnetite and all, and other reserves are there. It has been divided into 4 C. Yes, धर लो C. किसको धरना है? 4 C. And then Champion, Champaner, Closepet, Chilpi. Understood? Then I said that iron ore, Khondolite. Then Rialo, Delhi to Alwar. And then I said that which one? Sakoli and Saucer. Understood? तो हमने क्या बोला? Champion, gold, that is from the, I said that Kolar to Raichur and some Anantapur. Champaner in the Vadodara and all nearby region Udaipur. In this one, quartzite and all limestones are there. And at the same time, there is a lead, zinc, silver. And then Closepet and Chilpi in the Satpura part. And the Balaghat and Chindwara district. In this one, manganese and copper pyrite. And along with the other is there marbles and good quality marble. Then we have seen, I said that iron ore series in the Mayurbhanj, Jharkhand, and then Kyunjhar and Sundargarh, Kyunjhar and Mayurbhanj, or Jharkhand mein Singhbhum. And then we have seen Rialo, Sakoli and Saucer. Rialo, it is in Delhi to Alwar. And then I said that it is in Makarana and Bhagwanpur based marble. And then we have been able to see next one is Sakoli. It is in Bundelkhand. And this is, I said that famous for diamond, famous for, I said that limestone, dolomite, मतलब मैं ऐसे ही नहीं बोलता हूँ, वहाँ पे रहता है मतलब कहीं भी रहता ही है. एंड देन जेम स्टोन्स एंड ऑल इट इज अवेलेबल. एंड द सॉर्सर सीरीज इट इज एन आयरन ओर, मैग्नीज, टंगस्टन एंड ऑल. और जहाँ ना समझ में आए, लाइमस्टोन, डोलोमाइट, मार्बल कह देना, क्योंकि लाइमस्टोन से क्या बन जाता है? मार्बल. सो वी हैव बीन एबल टू सी चैंपियन सीरीज. समझ में आ गया हाउ डू द धारवाड़ रॉक सिस्टम हैज बीन फॉर्म? यस. एंड व्हाट इज द पीरियड? अर्ली Proterozoic. Early Proterozoic. Understood? After that, Aravalli, it is not in our rock system. Next one we are going to see middle Proterozoic to late Proterozoic. It is Kodappa and Vindhya. Kodappa and Vindhya. Kodappa. I said that. ये सारे कौन है ये पता है? All I have said that deposition of sediments, and कौन टूट रहा है? Granitic rocks, it is breaking and then depositing. Understood? और जिसको सबसे ज्यादा टाइम मिलेगा वो ज्यादा ऑक्सीजनेटेड होगा and it will be able to make a good quality metals. And next one I said that Kodappa as a part of what? याद है ना? Purana as a part of Purana. Purana rock system. Kodappa rock system is what? As a part of Purana rock system. Kodappa rock system as a part of what I said that? Purana. And in this one, if you have been able to see 1500 million years to, I said that 600 million years. And what I talked about? Middle